Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
Well, like thousands of people from across the tri-state area, Yvette took advantage of the expertise at First Republic Mortgage Bankers. Scott, say good morning to Yvette.
Good morning, Yvette. How are you?
Fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm doing good, and I'm glad to have you on the air because you are another success story. That's a very good success story. Can you tell us a little bit about how you originally got in touch with Tony, the mortgage doctor?
I heard it on the Gil Bailey show.
Beautiful. Okay, so you heard it on the Gil Bailey show, and you called up, and how did it go from there?
It go wonderful.
What were you trying to accomplish by refinancing?
Well, I was trying to just pay down some bills and get some money out.
You did that. You absolutely did that, and you got a phenomenal rate. You actually got a rate that's lower than what our refi special is right now at 5.75%. Congratulations, you locked in at the right time.
Thank you.
Now, you were able to pay off your mortgage, and you were able to take out. Can I say how much cash you walked out with?
Yes.
Okay, it's going to be an inspiration for others. $76,000 is what I see.
Yes, it is.
Okay, and you reduced your monthly payments, actually, $115?
Yes, because now I do the insurance and the property tax included in it before I normally do it on my own.
Ah, I see. That's much easier. It's I think it's much better to have an escrow being done. Right. Some people think otherwise. We can do both, but I agree with what you're saying. Now, would you like to tell everybody what you're going to do with all that money?
Well, I intend to invest in the next property.
That's beautiful. That's wealth building. That's our wealth building secret. Not so much of a secret, but the principle that we like to stress that, refinancing can do a lot of things for a lot of people. One of the things is wealth building, using one property leverage to buy another property.
Right.
And I think that's really phenomenal. I mean, you were able to do this and actually reduce your monthly payments, get that $76,000. Now you're going to put it to work.
Right.
How many houses do you want to buy?
Well, I'm going to start at one first, maybe 2 or 3 families, and rent that out and go from there.
Very good. That's the way it's done. That is the way it's done. Now, tell people about the mortgage doctor, Tony, who, by the way, if anyone's listening right now and would like to talk to Tony directly, he is in the office right now, and his extension is 335, or just ask for Tony, the mortgage doctor, and that's 718-380-0006. He did a good job for Yvette and so many other listeners, and if you want to speak to him personally, he has 13 years experience. That means he's been here since the inception of the company. Now, tell me about working with the mortgage doctor. Why is it that people call him the mortgage doctor?
Because his experience is what he's doing, and he takes time out to sit down and explain everything to you the best way that it will help you. Not for it to help him, but it's best for it to help the client.
That's great. It's like you wouldn't want a doctor when he's examining you and you say you have a pain in your belly and he's thinking about his new Lamborghini and he tells you need an operation.
That's it. Or he needs to get rid of you to get the patient come in, that he could increase it, get more money in his pocket. But Tony's not like that.
Right. So, Tony's been here since the inception. I've known Tony for many years before that, and he's a man of character and integrity, and he also is a great communicator. He has the experience, the knowledge, and the ability to communicate and put it all together, and you got the mortgage doctor at 718-380-0006. There's so many people out there right now who may be in your situation. How long have you owned your house?
11 years.
You own your house 11 years,
yes.
And there's a lot of people in your situation that have a lot of equity built up, and you didn't really have that much in the way of debt. But there's a lot of people, studies show me that people in the first 3 to 5 years after owning a house run up their credit cards often. Now, there's a lot of people who have that equity, home equity, that's available to them to do something, and they're scared. All they hear about on the news is about foreclosures, subprime this, subprime that. What's your advice to these people? I mean, we're offering them government-backed programs, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, FHA, VA, Sony Mae, and the confidence level that goes with 13 years of experience. But tell these people, I'm so afraid that people are going to miss out on this opportunity to join our refinancing boom with the Fed discount, FHA secure and everything. I want you to speak to these people directly in your own words.
All they have to do is pick up the phone and call the mortgage doctor, and he'll explain everything to you. You don't have anything to lose. You got a whole lot to gain just by making one phone call.
That's well put. Some people say making the phone call is the hardest part, and I really want to appeal to those homeowners out there that have had your house for a couple of years, and you have some equity in the house, and you have credit card debt. Let's look at consolidating your debts and getting one low tax deductible payment. Maybe you can take out some cash and do some wealth building, just like Yvette has done. It's like so many other of your fellow listeners have done also with First Republic. I want to thank you so much, Yvette, for coming on the air with us and sharing your success story. Now, I also want to ask you a very, very important question. Did we rig this conversation? Did we perform this? Did we stage this conversation?
No.
Did we speak even before we went on the air?
No, we didn't speak because I was about I thought maybe I got cut off because you stayed so long to come. I didn't know you was going to be. I thought you was coming anyway.
Okay, and are you related to me or anyone at First Republic?
No. As I said, I heard it on the Bill Bailey show. That's how I got
okay, and
the number.
how much are we paying you to talk on the radio right now?
You're not paying me nothing. I'm doing it because of what I've seen from it and what I gained from it.
Okay, great. You just answered a lot of questions. I want to put some room. Also, this is live, right? I mean, you're on your telephone right now. I'm connected to the studio by fiber optics, and this is actually live, right? I mean, we're not recording this for a later use, right?
No.
Right. You're alive right now, right? Your heart's beating?
Yes, my heart is beating, yes.
Okay. Thank you so much for clarifying that, because we feel very proud of our endorsements, and we want people to understand that these are the real deal here. And thank you so much for coming on the air with us and helping people to get motivated to call 718-380-0006. The phone lines are actually blazing, as Squeeze would say, and you are helping people get motivated to make that phone call. And I can't thank you enough. And your success story is so good. I'm sure we'll be back to you maybe on a Monday evening, maybe this coming Monday. I don't know if you're available. Jasmine can schedule that with you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thanks so much.
You're welcome.
Bye-bye. Well, folks, success stories after success stories. If you're a homeowner, now's the time to call. With the recent Fed cut and also FHA Secure allowing us to help more people refinance their homes, people actually even in foreclosure, you can really benefit. Whether you're in foreclosure, whether you're not in foreclosure, if you have a high rate on your existing mortgage or you'd like to get some cash, want to pay off those credit card debts, we can do it with government-backed programs, whether it is the FHA program, FHA Secure, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, VA, Sony Mae. We're direct lenders for all of those programs, and no Mickey Mouse middleman mortgage broker can securitize loans directly to these entities. So when you're dealing with First Republic, you are truly eliminating the middleman. So pick up the phone right now and make that call to 718-380-0006. Quickly, I want to give you our website, www.1strepublic.com. I want you to look at the testimonial page, testimonials after testimonials. These are actual letters that we took off our wall that we've accumulated over years from borrowers, and also you can look at video segments, over 30 video segments, just like this one. You can hear other video segments just like this one, and it's very informative. 51 free reports and a free calculator, 11 free calculators. Okay, I'm going to sign off now. I'm going to tell you the most important thing is one call does it all. When you call First Republic Mortgage Bankers, you make that call, and we will do it all.
First Republic Mortgage Bankers is a licensed direct lending mortgage banker in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Pennsylvania, Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, Maryland, and Maine. Do not forget to listen to the Early Ride Home every single Monday and also on Thursday from 5 till 8 o'clock. And don't forget to listen to the Winner's Circle every single day at 11 to 12 on Link Up Radio.